Hey, welcome back to another wonderful week of sixth grade social studies. It is the week of May 8th. Can you believe it? We are like within a month of school getting out. That is crazy. This week we are going to not only have fun, but we're going to talk about and wrap up some of the things that we discussed last week, which was kind of the different types and forms of governments that you find around the world, and then the foundational ideas, some of the foundational ideas that set the stage for the United States government. So from the Declaration through the Constitution, kind of how just this government is set up. We briefly talked about representative democracies and what that's like, kind of setting the tone for what a republic is. So we're going to discuss that, going to kind of break down some of the amendments to the Constitution itself. It's just be a little mini unit discussing that will lead us into another mini unit on economics. So like just basic economics, what are some of the key ideas and terms on how money, goods, and ideas kind of get moved and shipped around from a local standpoint to a statewide, nationwide, and then the whole world. Pretty basic, but pretty awesome. And then after that, we're just kind of in the home stretch. We're going to do a cool historical research project, kind of like the Wax Museum project later on in this month. We got a field trip coming up at the end of this month. Life is good. But this week is really about shoring up the different forms of government and then how that kind of ties into the United States government specifically, this wonderful republic of ours. It's going to be an absolutely fantastic week in sixth grade social studies. In addition to that, we did take an assessment, a 20-question assessment last Thursday. Students are going to get that back, and they're going to have the opportunity to redo that assessment. Scores were kind of all over the place. So if any student feels like they did poorly, they're going to have the opportunity to study, get a retake, and improve that Governments of the World and Foundations of American Government assessment. That's it. That's what we're going to be doing this week in sixth grade social studies.